So let's go do an install. Well, I guess it's time to take out the old suspension, starting with the rear. Going from a divorce to a ultra rear. So I've never actually taken this off. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be better than this. Let's keep going. So yeah, I've never actually taken one of these off, because this is the first time I've ever done anything on a Corolla, pretty much. So, I think the top's loose. I had the rear jacked up to get out the shock off the rear. Now I'm lowering it so I can just take, it should just slide out. It still needs, that springs out. That's pretty much how they're set up. Very dirty. I don't know how long it's been in there. I've owned the car for 5 years. So yeah. These are the springs. I'm guessing they're Megans. These rubber bushings are shot. Good thing I don't have to use them again. So yeah, these ones too. The upper ones. The ones inside the, under the well, or in the well, are shot. That's why my car drove like crap, but on to better things, right? Let's put those on. So I finally got the rear springs, real true coilovers preloaded. Just gotta adjust the height, but I can't do that until we do the front, so let's get to it. Again, I've never actually taken these coilovers off, so no, can't see anything. Here we go. I did replace the bearings in here because they were shot. Did replace. I do have wheel widths, Big Daddy Big Brake Kit. They can run 14s, so I'm running right now OEM Celica Supra tire wheels. Still have braided lines also. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh no, the light is on. Oh, that's my light. Okay. So let's just turn this on. Got the front T3 ground controls with RCAs out. Again, I don't know how old this itself is. Pillow ball mount is gone. That bushing is shot. Yeah, I never really liked pillow sleeves, and I think one of these bolts is loose. Side box springs. That's the RCAs. I believe this is a T3 kit. Has the spindles shortened. Glad I'm taking this out and then replacing it. Even shortened. The Annex coilovers is a lot shorter. So let's go bolt this up. Let's have some fun. So I had an issue with the combination of my wheel woods and Annex suspension, where this was the caliper was binding and it was not letting this free spin. So my solution before the track day was to take apart the caliper, take off the bracket, and I grinded it down, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Let's get to it. solution. Hopefully you can see it. So you can see it, I grinded it down as level as I can, and it helped. Hopefully that was the correct way of dealing with this and Annex suspension, but yeah, it worked.
I was so excited to just drive the car that I forgot to record past the installation of the coilovers, and it shows. But the next video, you'll see me at the track. So I'll see you then.